everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Drunk Elephant Bouncy Bright Facial Serum. It is a mask illuminator and it helps to correct the hyperpigmentation marks on your skin. So we're going to talk about the contents, ingredients first, and then we're going to talk about who all can use this product and what are my personal takes at the end of the video. Okay, the first ingredient is water. Continuing to that is 10% azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is very important because it helps to remove the dead skin layer and helps to lighten the pigmentation mark by controlling the melanin production that is happening on your skin, which is actually leading to more melanin production because your melanocytes are getting triggered. So it's a very important ingredient in general for the anti-aging as well as improving the hyperpigmentation mark. And then after that there is salicylic acid. It is in 1%. So salicylic acid is also improving your skin texture by removing the dirt and debris from your pores and also having a proper sebum production because it removes the excess sebum. It plays a very important role in removing the sebaceous filaments from your nose area or somewhere where you produce a lot of oil. So it's a very good ingredient in general. So the formulation is with azelaic acid and salicylic acid. So I would suggest all the viewers to use this at the nighttime because it has two different types of acid and it's better to use it at nighttime than to use it at the daytime. If you want to use it at the daytime, make sure that you wear a SPF 50 sunscreen with mineral ingredients in it. Then there is glycerin, and after that there is niacinamide. Niacinamide is less than 5%, adequate amount of concentration to work on with your skin. So I like this formulation just because it is not a lot of concentration of niacinamide, but it is a fraction of a percent. It's less than 2 or 3% for sure. So it is very well formulated because this formulation is considering all skin types. It's not restricted to only one skin type. That's the mistake most of the big brands do. They just consider one type of skin type and they just make that formulation. This is like a lot of variety of people can use it just to see how it works on your skin. So niacinamide is a very good ingredient because it helps to improve these fine lines that is appearing on your face. It helps to improve the flawlessness on your skin. It helps to bring out the even skin tone. So it is very good ingredient and it also closes the enlarged pores. So it becomes an all-rounder ingredient. It's a very well-studied ingredient as well. So adding this ingredient into this formulation and seeing the azelaic acid and salicylic acid, it restricts to one type of skin category. And that is for the people who are suffering from acne, who are suffering from breakouts all the time on their face. So I am seeing this cream to be only used by those people because this is going to work well for them. There is different antioxidants present also in the serum. That is ferulic acid, a very potent antioxidant. There is vitamin F, which helps with the hydration and removal of free radicals, and vitamin E, removing the free radicals and improving the moisturizing properties on your skin. So these are the three antioxidants present in it. Then there are plant-based ceramides here, which helps to have a healthy skin barrier and improve your skin texture. So the formulation, I really like. I give it a thumbs up. It is well formulated. It has been considered even if a dark skin tone person is using it, can they use it? Yes, they can. This serum actually cost for $68 US. It is a bit pricey, but if you want some alternative for this serum, there is the ordinary azelaic acid suspension 10%. It also does the same job as this one, or else you can use the salicylic acid by the ordinary. It's an anhydrous solution again, so you can even use it to improve your skin condition when you have oily skin. So these two working together will do the same job and it's much more cheaper as compared to this particular cream. So now the answer for the question, who all can use this product? So this can be used by Caucasian skin as well as skin of color. This has been considered for both the skin tones, and it is more formulated for the type of people who have oily skin, normal to oily skin, or oily skin type, or combination skin type. This will work really good for you guys. It will help to reduce the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation mark if you use it for consistent 4 to 5 months. So usually Caucasian skin type people show the lightening of the pigmentation much better than the skin of color. For skin of color, it does take a lot of time to remove the melanin production because we have a lot of melanin on our skin as compared to the Caucasian skin. So for skin of color, the results will be shown maybe after 4 or 5 months of use. For the Caucasian skin, it will take like 2 to 3 months just to see a very good result. So don't be disappointed, and no cream does a magic overnight. It takes time. You need to be patient. So what are my personal takes about this product? I love the formulation. I love how Drunk Elephant makes their products. They consider all skin type. I am not disappointed, and I am really happy with this formulation. Now the question is, what are my personal takes, and will I buy this product? Of course I will. I will buy this product because when I go to India, when I go to more humid places, and when I go towards the equator, and when I'm traveling, my skin tends to become oily or combination. So I would like to use this product during that time. And when I'm in like cold places, when I'm traveling to northern hemisphere, so I'm just more towards the dry skin type, and I'm like suffering from dry skin. I'm always like moisturizing my skin, so I will not use it when I'm traveling to the northern part of the hemisphere. But when I'm going towards the equator, definitely I'm gonna try this product because this will do wonders on my skin. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below and I will reach out to you with answers. Make sure that you click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. So I will see you soon with another video. Bye.